Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're brand new here, welcome. My name is Lindsey Foust, I'm 21 years old, and I'm super passionate about sustainable fashion. So, in this week's video, we are going to be flipping some swimsuit tankini tops that I got from the thrift store. You can also probably find them in your mom's closet if you ask. But we are going to be thrift flipping these into some cute little tops for spring summer season. I've been seeing tops like this all over my Pinterest and also from like influencers on Instagram, whatever. So, without further ado, let's get into this week's video. So, to start, these are the tankini tops that I thrifted the other day. Super Pinterest inspired on this one. Same with this tie-dye print. I just thought the color was beautiful, kind of like this deep lavender. And the styles of them are pretty basic, but I think that that'll lead for a good thrift flip here. This one's already pretty cute, but I think I might just bring it in a bit. And then this one has huge cups, so I think I'm going to be doing a little bit more adjusting here and maybe scrunch some things up on this one, or even try styling it upside down and cutting this off entirely. So I think I'm going to start with this one just because it's what I'm most excited for. But yeah, I'll let you guys know. Okay, so here's me trying on our first tankini top. And it is seriously like not that bad. I love the color on it. However, it's giving me like super mom vibes. So what I'm thinking is I crop it to like here and then bring in this bell fit so it'll be like this. Yes, like I think that'll be super cute to wear as either just a top or something to wear in the pool as well. So to start, I'm just laying this top inside out, that way my marks won't be seen, and I'm going to start by marking up 4 inches. So now that I marked all the way around the top 4 inches from the waistline, I'm just going to use my fabric scissors here to cut right above it, and then we'll see how that looks. Okay, so I've cut off all of this, and now I'm like, maybe I can make a scrunchie or headband out of it to match, but point is, it looks so much better now. Let's see. Yes, like, but it still bells out. So I'm going to take it in that 1.5 inch on each side, and then we're going to try it on and see how it fits. Okay, that seriously took me 2 seconds, and this is the cutest top ever. Like, I am obsessed. Like, this is exactly what I needed. Oh my gosh. Well, I guess then without further ado, we can get on to thrift flip number 2. Okay, so here is our tankini top number 2. As you can see, it's a bit longer and it has this little like bow moment going on. But what I'm thinking is it has extra fabric here, so I'm thinking I take this out and maybe make it more of like a cowl neck top, stitch up the holes here. And then just same as the last one, just crop it probably about maybe like 4.5, 5 inches. But yeah, same process as last time. I'll just use the ruler to mark that up. And then it doesn't look like it needs taken in, but we'll see as soon as we try it on again. Okay, so as you can see, I ended up going with a 4.5 inch high mark. So I'm just gonna cut this. Remember to keep it inside out so your marks don't show. And then I'm gonna try it on and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so here's me trying on the top after just cropping it. And I like that it kind of comes down straight, but I feel like if I just brought it in like, if you see like 1 inch around, then it would just be a little bit more flattering. I mean, it's not that much of a difference, but I feel like if it was looser all the way around, I would like the flowy look. But right now, it's just like awkwardly like sitting at my hips. Okay, this top actually looks insane inside out. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be marking 1 inch in from this side seam, and I'm going to be drawing a diagonal from the top to the bottom. So it'll be like these little triangles. But when they're folded, it'll basically just bring a slight slant in, so that way it'll be more form-fitting to the body. And then just to show you guys, here's what those marks look like, and I'm just using a literal highlighter because I'm going to be cutting this off at the end anyways. So yeah, I'm just going to do a straight stitch along here, and then I'll try it on and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I thought the first top was my favorite, but now I am re-evaluating everything. I feel like this is literally like a perfect neutral top for going out, even like having a picnic, and because it is made of more of like a nylon material, or like a neoprene I should say, it's like you can swim in it, you can do whatever. I'm like, it's perfect. Okay, so I seriously can't believe how quick and easy these have all been going. So I'm gonna propose a bit of a challenge for our third top. So I'm going to enter a picture here of kind of like my inspiration. I've been seeing this top everywhere. But okay, this one is originally just like a tankini top like this. But, so hear me out. I try it on upside down like this and crop it, and then cut the back out and use the extra material for like the straps. So I don't know, I'm gonna go off camera and try this on upside down and like see what the deal is, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so I tried this on the mirror and I decided I'm cutting away these two pieces to kind of give some room for my armhole when cutting this out, and then I marked the spot down here. I believe it was like, let's see, yeah, 11 inches down is how far I measured. So I'm gonna crop that here, and then I'll have a front and back piece that I'm going to hopefully put back together and see how it looks. Okay, so now that we have this cut out, I'm going to cut the side seams actually. That way we can start working on our open back design. So right now I'm cutting about 1/2 inch strips of this back piece of fabric. That way we can start to make some little strap pieces for the front of it. And then on the back, each side has its own string, so I've separated these out into piles of 2, and then I'm going to attach them and try and figure out how to make these look perfect for when they're going to be going on the top. So after watching a few YouTube videos, I figured it's just going to be best for me to fold the fabric in half and then do a zigzag stitch all the way along really close to the edge, just because this is 1/2 inch, so if I were to fold it inside out and then stitch it, it would be like 1/16 of an inch, which is, you know, very hard to turn inside out clearly. So I'm just gonna do it super simple and I'll let you guys know how it looks. Okay guys, so here is our first strap, and I actually am obsessed with it. It has a bit of like lettuce hemness to it, but I'll do the second one now, and then I guess we'll start measuring out where we want to put the little loops in the back. So yeah, I'll get back to you soon. Okay, so for the top, I've decided I'm going to do 3 loops, and they're going to be at the top, the bottom, and then also the middle of the garment. And then for those loops, I just made 3 little, well, I just cut them from the strap, but I made 3 little noodles that I can loop on here for the string to tie through. Okay, so here's what the back of the top looks like with all of our loops added in. So now what I'm thinking is I'm gonna add the long portions of the straps up to these 2 corners. That way they will loop around diagonally across the back. So I will stitch that on and then show you guys what it looks like after that. Okay, so we have all of our straps looped in, so I'm gonna try it on and then I will show you guys what it looks like. Here is the final look of this top. I am obsessed with open back. I'm trying to see if there's like a better way I can show you guys this, but I think this turned out so much better than I was expecting. Here's a better look at the back of the top. I think this turned out literally so cute. Like, tell me that doesn't look like it came straight off of Depop. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video of me thrift flipping some nice little summer tops. As you can now see, I filmed that in May and it's now June. I've moved to a new city. I cut all my hair off. I have been doing a lot. I have been super swamped. So I'm trying as hard as I can to, you know, fit everything into my schedule. But I'm super thankful for you guys. And I'm so happy to announce we finally hit 3,000 subscribers. So I just want to say I'm super thankful, you guys. You are awesome. And I really appreciate all your love and support. So have a great rest of your night. I'll see you again soon.